raging river, rising to unprecedented levels.
The relentless floodwaters surge, engulfing everything in their path.
Oh no! The river is rising fast!
We're here to help you.
Help is on the way!
I am here. We are here to help you.
Help is here. We are coming.
I am here.
Don't worry, we're here to help you.
Thank you.
In the quiet dawn, a community begins to rise.
The sun rises again, revealing the challenges ahead.
Weeks after the flood, construction crews rebuild the main bridge and repair damaged roads. Weeks after the flood, construction crews rebuild the main bridge and repair damaged roads. Community members assist wherever possible.
In the face of adversity, communities unite.
We're here today to talk about flood preparedness. It's so important that we all work together. Welcome to our community's flood preparedness initiative.